What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows peer-to-peer transactions. It is used around the world. There are a set number of Bitcoins in existence. The more that are mined and the more that are discovered will cause the value to grow. Question number 2. What is chain? What is blockchain? Blockchain is a digital ledger that allows current and past transactions to be listed in chronological order. What is decentralization? Decentralization happens when there is no central storing place, middleman, or financial institution involved. Bitcoin is 100% peer-to-peer, which means it is decentralized. What is Bitcoin scarcity? Since there are 21 million Bitcoins in existence and 16.5 million of Bitcoins in circulation, the simple fact that more are being discovered raises the value. It's simply supply and demand. Take, for instance, water, bottled water. Say, for instance, a hurricane comes and you go to the store to buy a certain amount of bottles of water. You may pay in excess of $5 a bottle. This is due to supply and demand. How are new Bitcoins created? Well, with anyone that has an internet connection and the correct software can mine Bitcoins or other cryptocurrencies currencies This is done by a process of solving mathematical algorithms, and when you solve these algorithms, or equations, the people that solve these are considered miners, and they receive a certain amount of Bitcoin. What is block halving? Block halving takes place, block halving, in the event that this takes place, miners will receive 50% of their normal earnings from mining Bitcoins. This only happens occasionally, maybe every 4 years. So if a miner gets 4 Bitcoins for every successful block that he or she solves equations to, when Bitcoin halves have takes place, it would begin to earn 2 Bitcoins for each one. What is confirmation? When miners around the world validate a transaction, the other night I sent Bitcoins from one wallet to another. In the blockchain I saw 1/6 verified. After about 5 of them, I saw BTC show up in my wallet. What is a transaction ID? A transaction ID is a unique set of numbers, or a unique set of numbers and letters that is assigned as a special code for tracking certain transactions. Say, for instance, if you use PayPal and you buy something online, your transaction that you have done will be assigned a unique transaction code. What is Bit Explorer? It is a web page that we use to explore blockchaining. I can search past transactions using the transaction ID. What are 3 specific ways you can buy Bitcoin? Well, the first is Coinbase. The second is Bittrex and Bitcoin ATM.